Did you know artificial intelligence can now predict protein structures with near-atomic accuracy? A breakthrough that could speed up drug discovery and potentially save millions of lives. Welcome to a world where AI is no longer just a buzzword, but a transformative force reshaping our global landscape. In this video, we will discuss the far-reaching impacts of AI across various industries and its potential to solve some of humanity's most pressing challenges. We'll show you how AI is being used to improve healthcare, agriculture, and finance, and how it's helping to tackle issues like hunger, poverty, and environmental problems. Here's something you might not expect. We'll examine how AI has influenced art and creativity. Can a machine be creative? We'll showcase some stunning AI-generated art and music that might change your perspective on innovation. So whether you're a tech enthusiast, an industry professional, or just curious about how AI might impact your life, this video has something for you. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey into the heart of the AI revolution. Are you ready to see how AI is reshaping our world? Well, let's jump right in. AI is transforming agriculture at an unprecedented pace, thanks to technological advancements boosting efficiency and promoting sustainability. For example, precision farming powered by AI algorithms enables farmers to analyze soil health in real time. Companies like Blue River Technology in Santa Clara, California, leverage computer vision to identify weeds and optimize herbicide application, reducing chemical usage while enhancing crop yield. This shift leads to healthier produce while addressing environmental concerns linked to pesticide runoff. They also equip smart drones with advanced sensors that have become integral to modern farming practices. These flying robots monitor crop growth from above and provide actionable insights for irrigation management or pest control strategies. In regions like California's Central Valley, vineyard owners utilize drone technology paired with AI predictive analytics to forecast harvesting times accurately, ensuring optimal quality and maximizing profit. By embracing such innovations, farmers worldwide experience a new era where data-driven decisions enhance productivity while minimizing resource waste, a critical step towards feeding a growing global population and fighting hunger. AI algorithms now hasten soil analysis and agricultural practices by offering precision insights that were previously unattainable. These intelligent systems can dissect the chemical composition of soil samples with remarkable accuracy, identifying essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Thanks to AI's ability to pinpoint specific deficiencies, farmers can tailor their fertilization strategies to boost crop yields while minimizing waste and environmental impact. The predictive capabilities of AI extend beyond mere analysis. They open avenues for proactive agricultural planning. Advanced models can forecast potential crop diseases based on historical data and emerging climate trends, allowing farmers to adapt their strategies before issues ever arise. These cutting-edge technologies enable stakeholders in the agriculture to transition from reactive measures to forward-thinking solutions that enhance productivity and resource management. The symbiosis between AI technology and soil science is a potent response to pressing challenges in food security today. In 2024, artificial intelligence has become the cornerstone of financial transformation, enhancing efficiency and personalizing client experiences in ways never seen before. For instance, robo-advisors like Wealthfront and Betterment now utilize advanced algorithms powered by machine learning to analyze individual investing behaviors in real time. These platforms automate wealth management and customize investment portfolios based on market conditions and user preference. Dissecting data points such as spending habits and risk tolerance enables users to achieve financial goals with precision that was once thought impossible. AI-driven analytic tools have changed credit scoring systems by incorporating alternative data sources, like cash flow patterns from bank transactions or social media behaviors, to assess creditworthiness more comprehensively than traditional models allow. Fintech companies such as ZestFinance have pioneered this approach, offering loans to the underprivileged who might otherwise lack access due to scant credit histories. Aside from that, fraud detection systems use AI to analyze vast amounts of transactional data instantaneously. For example, MasterCard's decision intelligence technology employs predictive modeling to flag suspicious transactions before they escalate into costly breaches. This rapid evolving landscape is not merely about efficiency. It's redefining trust and transparency within finance while paving new pathways for financial inclusion across demographics previously relegated to the sidelines. Another sector AI has revolutionized is healthcare. This technology has enhanced how we diagnose, treat, and predict diseases. One of the most striking advancements in this area is protein structure prediction, a crucial element in understanding diseases at the molecular level. Tools like AlphaFold have reached unprecedented accuracy, allowing researchers to predict the structure of proteins with remarkable speed and precision. This breakthrough opens new avenues for drug discovery. Pharmaceutical companies can now design targeted therapies for conditions ranging from cancer to genetic disorders quicker than ever before. AI algorithms are enhancing diagnostic capabilities through medical imaging analysis. For example, hospitals are increasingly adopting AI-driven radiology systems that detect anomalies in X-rays or MRIs faster than human experts. Notable examples come from an innovative partnership between tech startups and leading hospitals that develop machine learning models identifying early signs of Alzheimer's disease with over 95% accuracy based on brain scans alone. Boston University researchers have designed a new AI model that predicts whether someone with mild cognitive impairment would develop the dementia associated with Alzheimer's disease 6 years later. It has a success rate of 78.5%. These innovations empower health practitioners to initiate timely interventions and improve patient outcomes significantly. By creating personalized treatment plans and strategies to slow disease progression, they speed up and improve individual and public healthcare. Machine learning and automation have enhanced operational efficiencies, safety, and user experience in transportation. Logistic companies like Amazon and FedEx have adopted AI-driven predictive analytics that optimize delivery routes. These solutions reduce fuel consumption and shorten delivery times, reflecting a profound shift towards sustainable practices. Cities are also implementing AI-based traffic management systems that analyze real-time data to adjust traffic signals dynamically, minimizing congestion and lowering emissions. In public transit, AI facilitates the rise of autonomous vehicles, which have become a common sign on urban streets. For instance, Waymo's self-driving taxis operate in a few metropolitan areas with improved safety protocols powered by advanced machine learning algorithms. Meanwhile, ride-sharing services like Uber have integrated AI to provide users with fare predictions and personalized ride recommendations based on travel patterns. These innovations hint at a future where transportation is efficient and smoothly integrated into our daily lives, creating an ecosystem driven by enhanced connectivity and slick mobility solutions. AI is also helping in the fight against poverty through innovative solutions that cater to communities with limited access to quality learning resources. AI-powered adaptive learning technologies personalize educational experiences for the individual students, pinpointing their unique strengths and weaknesses. This tailored approach enhances comprehension and raises engagement levels. It makes students stay motivated and succeed academically and professionally. AI-driven platforms have started breaking geographical barriers by providing remote learning opportunities through interactive curricula and virtual classrooms. In regions like Africa, where the availability of teachers is scarce or inconsistent, these digital solutions ensure continuity in education. Learners can access world-class resources right from their homes. These technologies foster inclusivity by integrating local languages and cultural contexts into AI models. This approach ensures children from diverse backgrounds receive relevant and relatable content that resonates with them. As AI continues to evolve in the educational domain, it nurtures a new generation brimming with potential, bringing hope to those who previously faced insurmountable hurdles due to poverty. On the environmental front, AI's impact is equally transformative, as it addresses pressing issues like climate change and resource depletion. Advanced predictive analytics help monitor deforestation in real time via satellite imagery and drone technology, allowing conservationists to respond swiftly against illegal logging activities. Moreover, AI models enable efficient energy consumption by optimizing grids through demand forecasting. Not only do these technologies reduce greenhouse gas emissions, but they also lower bills for consumers. As urban areas swell with population growth, smart city projects powered by AI integrate waste management systems that prioritize recycling and efficient resource use. It creates cleaner environments while improving public health outcomes for communities grappling with pollution-related challenges. This technology has become an indispensable collaborator in art and music, transforming traditional creative processes into dynamic and interactive experiences. Musicians are harnessing AI-driven tools to explore uncharted musical territories. Pioneers like David Cope have developed systems that can analyze thousands of compositions to generate original pieces in the style of renowned composers, such as Bach or Mozart. Anyone can now produce high-quality tracks using accessible AI software. With these advancements, we see a vivid mix where human emotion meets algorithmic precision, ushering in an era where we continually redefine art. So what do you think? Are we ready to embrace this dual-edged sword responsibly while harnessing its full potential? Let us know in the comment section. Your insights could initiate conversations that steer AI towards a future reflective of our highest ideals.